Good morning, students. Welcome. So, students, this is the second part of chapter 9, Queen of the Sky, of your English reader book. In the last part, we covered the reading portion. I hope that you might have understood the chapter. So, let's start with today's part. And the first one is word meaning. You have to learn all the word meanings. Then, comprehension part, exercise A. Write the incident for these dates. So the years are given over here. We have to write all the incident, what happened during these years, and the answers are given to you in your notebook, means in your printed notes. What happened in 1951? She first started flying. In 1953, she got the license to fly. In 1957, she joined the Indian Airways. In 1977, she became the commander, and in 1989, she got the retirement from Indian Airways. So next exercise B. In this we have to mark all the qualities which are associated with Durba Banerjee. So जो भी मैंने मार्क करी हैं क्वालिटीज़ ये सारी उनसे एसोसिएटेड हैं दुर्गा बनर्जी से. ये आपको टिक करनी है अपनी अपनी बुक्स में. सी एक्सरसाइज. कैन यू मेंशन 2 sacrifices that Durba had to make in order to achieve her goals? So the sacrifices that Durba made in order to achieve her goals were she never got married and she had to work for no fixed hours. She can even be called during the day or the night time. So these were the 2 sacrifices that she made. Then D exercise you don't have to do. We don't have to do the exercise. Then let us come to E1, true or false. Durba went to the US as the Indian representative at the World Lady Pilots Association gathering. दुर्बा गई थी यूएस में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए वर्ल्ड लेडी पायलट्स एसोसिएशन की गैदरिंग में. येस, द आंसर इज ट्रू. देन द सेकेंड वन, दुर्बा फर्स्ट सोलो फ्लाइट वॉज विद अ ब्रदर टू दिल्ली. फॉल्स. शी वेंट विद हर सिस्टर. सो द आंसर इज फॉल्स. थर्ड, pilot's life is hard with no fixed hours. Yeah, it is correct that the life of the pilot is hard because they can be called at any time during the night or at the daytime also. Fourth, Durba stopped flying in 1989 after retirement. True. Durba flied as a passenger but not as a pilot. Fifth, Durba was married after becoming a pilot. False. She never got married. So the answer is false of fifth one. Now answer the following questions. First one, what would Durba have been if not a pilot? अगर दुर्बा पायलट नहीं होती तो क्या होती? Durba would have been a teacher or a doctor because during that time the girls used to become doctor or teacher but they never thought to become pilot as Durba did. Second, when did this desire to fly come true to her? वो कब इनका जो डिज़ायर था पायलट बनने का वो कब सच्चाई में बदला था? इट वॉज इन 1951. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड द फॉलोइंग पीपल रिस्पॉन्स टू हर इंटेंशंस टू फ्लाई? उनके पापा का रिस्पॉन्स कैसा था? हर फादर रिस्पॉन्डेड मीन्स ही यूज टू एनकरेज हर. हर फादर यूज टू एनकरेज हर टू बिकम द पायलट by saying the lines like the women in her family had encouraged him by saying that the girls can do better than men in whatever they undertake. गर्ल्स अच्छा कर सकती हैं इवन मैन से जो भी चीज़ वो करना चाहें. तो ये सब चीज़ें बोलकर उनके पापा उनको एनकरेज किया करते थे. her instructor used to do, her instructor said her that you can try your luck in Delhi, means gave her the suggestion to try her luck in Delhi and she went there. C, fellow pilots used to, what fellow pilots did, जो उनके साथ प्लेन साथ में होते थे उनके साथ ही, they accepted her immediately based on her performance. D, passengers were afraid to fly with her. वो डरे हुए होते थे कि हम एक फीमेल पायलट के साथ जा रहे हैं तो they were afraid. Fourth, what risk were involved in flying Tiger Moth and flights for aerial mapping? क्या क्या रिस्क होती थी इन्वॉल्व होती थी टाइगर मॉथ जब वो उड़ाती थी? तो टाइगर मॉथ के काफ़ी छोटा सा प्लेन होता था और क्या सब रिस्क थी फॉर एरियल मैपिंग? एक ही प्लेस पर उनको काफ़ी बार जो फोटोग्राफर था एक ही प्लेस पर लेकर आता था. इवन 15,000 की हाइट पर उड़ाना पड़ता था, फ्लाई करना पड़ता था जहाँ पे ना ऑक्सीजन रहती थी ना प्रेशराइजेशन होता था. तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिस्की और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड काम था. सो दीज वर द रिस्क. Now see students, in your book, after these question answers, G exercise vocabulary part is given. Actually in my book it was not properly given, so that's why I have written it for you over here. You have to fill in your books the exercise, you have to do in your book itself. G, make sentence with the following words. First, pilot means you can make the sentences by your own. I have just given you a few examples, but you have to make the sentences by your own, or you can even write these sentences also. First one, the pilot jumped from the burning plane. Second, the word is encourage. Then the sentence is my father encouraged me to become self efficient. मेरे पापा ने मुझे encourage करा कि मैं खुद से सारे काम कर सकती हूँ. I'm self efficient. Third, certificates. He earned his teaching certificates last year. Last year उनके teaching का certificate उनको मिल गया था. फोर्थ, हेलमेट. हमें हमेशा हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए ड्राइव करते टाइम. द आंसर, द सेंटेंस इज वी शुड वियर द हेलमेट वाइल ड्राइविंग. एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी मीन सबसे अलग जो होता है. देन ही इज़ वेल नोन बिकॉज ऑफ एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी प्रैक्टिस. वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा जाने पहचाने फेमस हैं. वेल नोन मीन्स फेमस हैं उनकी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी प्रैक्टिस की वजह से. एम्यूनेशन. एम्यूनेशन क्या होता है? ये जो गोला बारूद होते हैं, वेपन्स वगैरह जिसमें डालते हैं हम लोग, जहाँ से फायर होता है. सो द फोर्ट्रेस इज नाउ यूज एज एन एम्यूनेशन डिपो. These are a few examples. You can even write your own examples. You can even write the sentences by your own. Now the H exercise is use the suffix ity or ce to make nouns from the following adjectives. ये आपको words दिए हुए हैं, अपनी आपकी बुक में ये दिए हुए हैं. इस साइड हमने आंसर लिखा है. So let's do. फर्टाइल से क्या एडजेक्टिव बन सकता है? ity या फिर ce का यूज़ करके हम बना सकते हैं फर्टिलिटी by using ity as a suffix. Generous, generosity. Brilliant, brilliance by using ce. Curious, curiosity. Excellent, excellence. Ignorant, ignorance. Captive, captivity. Intelligent and is used to make intelligence. Now write the opposites for the following words. In this exercise also, left portion will be given to you in your book, is given to you in your books. We have just written the answer on the right hand side. Let's do. Opposite of ridiculous is sensible. Elder is younger. Laugh is cry. Certainly, uncertainly, rude. Polite, disappointed is satisfied. These are the opposites. So students, here we have completed our chapter number 9 also. Just go through the chapter again. That's it for today. Thank you.